Hi first grade. Today we're going to do some measurement activities, specifically measurement of length. And length is how long an item is. It is the distance from one end of the item to the other end of the item. Well, here on my table I have several different units of measurement that we can use to measure length. One is a standard unit of measurement. It's a ruler. And with a ruler we can measure items in centimeters. We can measure items in inches, or we can measure items in feet. But today we're not going to use the standard measurement units. We're going to use non-standard units of measurement. And so I have paper clips, toothpicks, miniature candy bars. You can measure things with your feet, with your hands. Okay, the one thing you want to remember with your non-standard units of measurement though, is whatever item you decide to use, that's the same unit of measurement that you need to use for your whole measuring. Also, you want to make sure it's the same size. So if I chose to use paper clips, I wouldn't want to use big paper clips and little paper clips because I wouldn't get an accurate measurement. So I would want to use one size of paper clips. Okay, and I'm going to measure some items using paper clips. The first thing I'm going to measure is my colored pencil box. And you guys can help me by, as I put the paper clips up there, I want you to count them for me. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so is my colored pencil box 5 paper clips long? Oh, I made some big mistakes here. Can you figure out what I did incorrectly when measuring this pencil box? Well, one thing I did incorrectly was I left space between my units of measurement. Your units of measurement have to touch one another. Also, I did not put them all facing the same direction. If I'm choosing to use my unit of measurement by lying it down, then all of them have to lie down. Also, I started my unit of measurement way out here. When measuring, I need to make sure my paper clip lines right up with the edge of the item I'm measuring. So let's try that one more time. Miss Michelle will try to do it correctly this time. And you guys count the paper clips with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, do you think we can agree that my pencil box is 4 paper clips long? Yeah, I think we got it correct this time. We began and ended right at the edge of the item. We're using the same size units of measurement. They are touching one another. There's no gaps between them, and they're all facing the same direction. Whew, we got it right this time. Okay, well, I'm going to record that on my chart. So my pencil box, the actual length is 4 paper clips. Now when recording your measurement, you want to make sure you write down what your unit of measurement was. If I just put a 4, we might think that's 4 feet, 4 spoons long. We might not know that it's 4 paper clips long. Okay, well I have a couple other items I'm going to measure. And to make this a little more fun, we're going to predict what we think the length of them is, and then we'll measure to see if we were correct. So we're going to measure my Kiss Goodnight book. I love this book. What do you think the length of my book might be?
5 paper clips.
Oh, that was Mr. Michael, my husband. And his prediction is that my book is 5 paper clips. He predicts that my book is 5 paper clips long. Let's see if he's right. 1, make sure I line it up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Mr. Michael, you got that right on. Okay, so that was 5 paper clips long. We're going to measure one more item. It says a puzzle box. Okay, before I measure it, what is your predicted length for this puzzle box?
4 paper clips.
Okay, Mr. Michael thinks it'll have the same length as the pencil box. Let's see if he was correct. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he was so close. 3 paper clips. Well, now that we know the length of all of the items, now we can place them in order by their length. We're going to place these items in order from the shortest item to the longest item. So to do this, we're going to look at our actual length. Which item was the shortest? That's right, our puzzle box with 3 paper clips. The next longest item would be our pencil box. And the longest item would be our book. Hey, for your assignment today, I would like you to find 5 items in your house or outside that you can measure, and you can choose whatever unit of measurement you would like. And I want you to make a chart in your journal, write your 5 items that you're going to measure, predict the length, and then write your actual length. After you get that completed, you can choose 3 of those items to place in order from shortest to longest. Have fun measuring, and I look forward to seeing your results. Bye.